having done a survey of all third generation entrants in this space a year ago, more or less, the quality of the project initially that drew me into the near orbit, and then these other things became clearer over time, including, of course, the aligned values came clearer after I joined the team to work on the EVM.
Also liked about NEAR is just the quality of the people. There's some pretty good engineers there, and that's really pushing the project forward. NEAR specifically interested me because it seems to be scalable and has smart contract capabilities. So these are the two things that interest me in NEAR. In general, pretty skeptical about smart contracts. There are, I think, a lot of applications people try to push there that don't make sense for me. But the whole DeFi thing makes sense to me in having like some sort of automatic, censorship resistance financial infrastructure. And once I got interested in that, then I saw the problems with Ethereum in the sense that it's just too expensive. I think it's always generally a problem when transaction costs become too high. We had the same thing with Bitcoin. It's still the same situation that transaction costs on layer 1 are just too expensive to use it all day. And same for smart contract chains. And since NEAR seems to take privacy as an important value, we kind of try to push and see how real is that commitment. And it seems to be real since we got this rather significant funding and hopefully can improve on-chain privacy and things like that.
The NEAR Foundation and the NEAR Collective's values are aligned with the privacy initiatives. We could imagine some other chains where privacy would not be a welcome addition. Now, to be clear, it's not as though NEAR is going to become a privacy coin. This is more opt-in privacy, since we will be adding it after the fact. In any case, that's a welcoming, strong commitment from the foundation to put money where the mouth is. In technical terms, I'd say that the NEAR account model is very good and one of the often underrated or overlooked great things about NEAR, as in we actually have a reasonable account model in NEAR. It's possible to refer to NUMs using human readable names, such as mine is arto.near. It's possible for those accounts to contain not only a smart contract, but multiple access keys. And those access keys can have different levels of privilege, which enables a lot of use cases that are really interesting. And I'd say the third item is possible to create smart contracts that can essentially fund themselves because they get a portion of the transaction fees, a third or so. And that's a powerful feature that I could imagine being used by, for example, something like an on-chain mixer or indeed 1,000 other projects.